This video is an introduction to SEM and its application in material characterization. Scanning electron microscope (SEM) is a type of electron microscope that images a sample by scanning it with a high energy beam of electrons in a raster scan pattern. The SEM shown in this video is manufactured by the company FEI and the model is Quanta 600. The main parts of the SEM are the column, the chamber and the table. The electron gun on top of the chamber produces a steady stream of electrons which hit the sample. The detectors in the chamber collect the electrons discharged from the top surface of the specimen and produce images. The lenses present in the column are made of magnets and they help to focus the electron beam on the sample by bending the path of the electrons. Vacuum conditions are necessary to ensure that the beams don't get deflected out of its path by the air particles. X-ray detectors are used for EDS analysis. The chamber has cameras to track the position of a sample. This can be viewed on the microscope control computer. There is a detector in the EDS instrument to collect the emitted X-rays. The user console consists of two computers which are connected to the SEM. The first computer is for controlling the operation of the microscope, such as venting, controlling the stage, image manipulation, etc. The other one with two screens are connected to the support computer. The support computers can be used for EDS analysis. To manipulate the image, the control panel is used. Wear clean gloves before preparing the sample to avoid contamination. The sample shown here is cut from a turbine blade made of special alloys. The sample is polished to obtain a good surface finish and is mounted on a bakelite mold. If the sample material is not electrically conductive, use carbon or copper tapes to connect the samples to the material holding stage inside the SEM chamber. A screenshot of the microscope control computer is shown. The window on the lower right corner shows the chamber. The other three windows are used to display the image obtained during bombardment of the electron beam. The chamber is maintained in near vacuum conditions by a pump and has to be filled with air or inert gas before opening it. Venting can be done with the help of the microscope control computer by pressing the vent button. It takes about 2 minutes for the chamber to be vented. Once the chamber is fully vented, it can be opened using the handle. The sample is mounted on the stage inside the chamber. The stage can be tilted, raised or lowered. Place the sample on the conductive stage. After inserting the sample, close the chamber and turn on the pump to remove air inside the chamber. The pumping is initiated by clicking on the pump button. The symbol at the bottom right corner should be green and the pressure should be less than 5 e to the power minus 5 torr before switching on the gun. Once the sample is loaded, the interior of the chamber can be viewed in the microscope control computer. In order to get a good image, raise the platform till the sample is close to the mark shown. Turn on the electron gun after vacuum conditions are prevalent. With bombardment of electron beam on the sample emits signals which are collected to get the image of the sample. To manipulate the image, the control panel is used. There are several knobs in the control panel, which includes the ones used to adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. The central knob is used to magnify the image. Stigmata knobs are provided to compensate for imperfections in the construction and alignment of the column. Shift buttons are used to shift the electron beam in the X and Y direction. The coarse and fine focus knobs help to focus the image better. The following clip demonstrates how the control panel knobs can be used to manipulate the image. We can know the elemental composition of our sample through EDS microanalysis techniques using Inca software. After obtaining the image of the specimen, select an area to get the elemental composition of the material. The software gives the elemental composition of the sample in SmartMap. Let's see the EDS analysis for the sample inserted. The SmartMap shows that chromium, nickel and iron are the major elements in the sample. The report shows the quantitative elemental composition. Turn off the electron gun by clicking the beam button in the software. Move the sample back to its original position before venting the chamber. Click the vent button to start the venting operation. Then the chamber is opened and the sample is taken out. After the chamber is closed, the pump is switched on so that vacuum conditions are present inside the chamber.